Citroen has just launched the new C3 2023, which arrives completely restyled with an SUV attitude and the proposal to position itself between the subcompact and compact hatches, becoming more popular to compete for market leadership. The design is one of the highlights of the C3 2023, which is inspired by European models with an adventurous and modern style. The front is higher, with a high creased hood and a steeper windshield. The highlight is the new light signature with LED DRL and Y-shaped on the front and rear, serving as a daytime running light. The optical assembly is double, with the upper part as a position light and the lower part as the main light. The front air intake merges with the bumper, and the fog lights are located at the ends. At the rear, the tail lights invade the sides and the trunk lid, which is shorter and with accentuated creases. Inside, it has a good interior space, with front seats installed in a high position, giving the feeling of an SUV. The finish is in rigid and dark plastic, with details in different colors on the panel from the Feel version. The Citroen Connect touchscreen multimedia center has a 10-inch screen, unprecedented in the category, which, in addition to supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allows 100% wireless mirroring with a cell phone screen. The new C3 has two engine options. The first one equips the entry versions and has a 1.0 Firefly 3-cylinder aspirated engine with power of 75 horsepower and 10.7 kilogram-force-meter of torque. The transmission is a 5-speed manual.